Can I transact in different currencies using CRM? Now, this is a very valid question and a very practical question coming from companies that are spread worldwide. They might need to record a transaction in multiple currencies. And yes, multiple currencies is something that we support in Zoho CRM. However, let me quickly clarify what I mean by transaction here. Now, Zoho CRM is not a payment collection tool. It's a customer relationship management software, which means it's a database of sorts. If you have transacted in multiple currencies, you can make a record of those transactions here. But as such, you cannot send out a link and collect payments from Zoho CRM. As long as we are talking about Zoho CRM as a standalone product, it is not a payment collecting tool. Okay, that doesn't mean that it's impossible using CRM. You can definitely integrate it with, say, Zoho Finance Suite or Zoho Payments or any other third party application, and you can set up integrations so that you can collect payments using this tool, right? So those kind of developer based help is definitely possible, but as such, out of the box, Zoho CRM does not offer something that will enable you to collect payments as such. But yes, if you are setting out to record transactions that you have already made, if you want to track those payments and if you want to track those business deals, record those amounts, yes, we do allow you to record amounts and make a record of these transactions in multiple currencies. Okay, so to activate multiple currencies, you need to navigate to setup. Under company details, go to the currencies tab. Here is where you activate multiple currencies, and here I've already activated my home currency, which is the US dollar, and the home currency is nothing but the default currency. So if you are having multiple currencies, how will CRM know which is the default currency, right? So it is just to indicate that we have something called a home currency, which is the default currency. If your company is headquartered in the US, you can have your home currency as USD. If it is headquartered in India, you can have it as Indian rupee. Wherever your company is headquartered and whichever currency is in which you're dealing in maximum transactions, that currency you can set as the home currency, and you can add additional currencies. You can add up to 10 currencies in Zoho CRM. Okay, now let's say I go to the deals module, add a new deal. You can see that the amount here is set to USD, like the US dollar, which is my home currency. So, the home currency is also something that will get reflected in your forecasting reports and so on. So, once you have activated the home currency, it cannot be changed again because we'll take that into account for computing your forecasts and other details, and we cannot keep changing your base mark. So it is based on this home currency that other conversions are made. So if you keep changing this, then we'll not have a base mark to make other conversions. So the home currency once set cannot be changed. So think twice before you set your home currency. If you want to change it, you need to send an email to our support team. Then they will deactivate it manually, and then you can set your home currency again. So to avoid running into all this trouble, you can decide what your home currency should be and then activate it. Once you set your home currency, you will be able to add other currencies. All you need to do is add currency and choose which currency it is, GBP for example, and you can quickly do a conversion check. So it says as of today the value or the exchange rate is this, so I have saved it. This is how you go and add other currencies in Zoho CRM. Once you have added multiple currencies, now you can see when you add a deal, there is a field called currency that gets activated. So you can choose which currency you want your transaction to be in. So here now you can see that the amount has changed to Indian rupee because I have changed the currency. So as you add multiple currencies, those will reflect here. Okay, so this is how you record transactions in multiple currencies in CRM. So it will be useful if you remember that this is not actually payment collection, but simply recording of transactions here. So we are working on bringing in payment collection as well, but so it might be available in the future, but as of today payment collection is not available. You can record transactions in multiple currencies in Zoho CRM. And to do that, you will have to go to company details and activate your multiple currencies. And once you activate your home currency, which is nothing but the default currency, you can add other different currencies. You can add up to 10 currencies in Zoho CRM. I hope this answers the question on multiple currencies. If you have any further questions on this particular subject or any other topic in Zoho CRM, feel free to post them by commenting below. Thank you.